Look at your to-do list. Compiling reports, answering emails, scheduling meetings, analyzing data. You probably think this is work. But by 2030, a new class of AI will see this list not as a job for a human, but as a simple set of instructions. And it won't need you to tell it what to do next. This isn't about robots. This is about the silent arrival of autonomous AI agents in the workplace. Right now, the conversation about AI in the office is dominated by chatbots and image generators. We see AI as a powerful but passive tool. You use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas, Midjourney to create a presentation slide, or a copilot to help you write code. The key word is you. The human is always in the driver's seat, prompting, correcting, and guiding. The narrative is that AI is an assistant, an intern, or a superpowered calculator. It's here to augment our productivity, not replace our core functions. Most white-collar professionals feel secure in this paradigm. Their jobs are complex, requiring judgment, planning, and multi-step execution. An AI that can only respond to one prompt at a time doesn't feel like a threat to a project manager, a paralegal, or a financial analyst. But this view of AI is already years out of date. It's like looking at a single-celled organism and failing to see the complex ecosystem it's about to become. The real revolution isn't happening in the chat window, it's happening in the background, in the very architecture of our software. So, what is an AI agent? Forget the chatbot. An AI agent is an autonomous system. You don't give it a prompt, you give it a goal. It can then independently create a plan, execute a series of tasks, use different tools, and even learn from its mistakes to achieve that goal. Think of it this way: ChatGPT is a brilliant calculator you have to give every single equation to. An AI agent is the accountant you hire to just handle the books. Early, high-profile examples like Devon AI, which can tackle entire software engineering projects, give us a glimpse. But the real, quiet invasion is happening through less flashy, business-focused agents. These aren't standalone products, they are being woven directly into the software you already use every day. Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft 365. Imagine an agent inside your project management tool. Your goal: launch the Q3 marketing campaign. The agent then drafts the project plan, assigns tasks to other AI agents, a copywriter agent, a designer agent, sets deadlines, monitors progress, and flags only the critical decisions that require your strategic input. It's not one task being automated, it's the entire workflow. A 2023 report from Goldman Sachs estimated that generative AI could automate 46% of tasks in administrative roles and 35% in legal professions. The key is that this happens task by task, almost invisibly, until one day the core functions of a role are simply gone. This future sounds daunting, but it's not a story of mass unemployment. It's a story of mass reskilling. The extinction event isn't for office workers, but for office tasks. Your value is no longer in doing the work. Your value is in defining what work needs to be done. The most in-demand professionals by 2030 will be AI orchestrators. These are the people who can manage a team of specialized AI agents. Their skills aren't in writing emails or building spreadsheets, but in high-level strategy, creative problem-solving, and goal-setting. They are the conductors of a digital orchestra. You don't play the violin, you guide the entire symphony to create something beautiful. So, what's the actionable advice? First, stop thinking about AI as a tool to do your old job faster. Start thinking about it as a system you can design to achieve outcomes. Use tools like Zapier or Make to automate simple, multi-step workflows in your own job right now. This trains your brain to think in processes. Second, double down on uniquely human skills: negotiation, leadership, complex strategic thinking, and empathy. An AI agent can analyze 1,000 contracts, but it can't build trust with a client over lunch. Finally, cultivate a mindset of continuous adaptation. The job you have in 5 years may not exist today. Your career will be defined not by a single role, but by your ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn as the technology evolves. The choice isn't between you and the AI, it's between being the person who gives the instructions and the person whose tasks are being instructed away. So, the silent takeover of office work isn't a dystopian fantasy. It's a quiet, gradual restructuring of cognitive labor, moving from human executed tasks to human directed outcomes. The AI agents are coming, not with a bang, but as a software update. Your job isn't to fight them, it's to become their manager. If you found this explanation valuable, subscribe to Decoded AI for more deep dives into the technology that's shaping our future. And hit the bell so you don't miss our next video, where we explore a critical question: what happens when these autonomous agents start making mistakes? We're decoding the multi-billion-dollar problem of AI alignment.